Hello guys, I'm here to give another tour of the car real fast. I'll be getting a new carburetor in soon. Sorry if you hear the wind, it's pretty windy out here. Car's in pretty clean shape. It's been a bit since I cleaned it. I attached the wheel trim on the front, two sides, to the car, which is good. I've been looking forward to doing that for a long time and I never got around to it. Wheel trim there. And I also got the trim down here put on. It goes along the bottom. So now the driver's side has every trim piece on it, which definitely improves the looks of it. I'm missing a trim piece over here. It runs down here and across the bottom. It's gone. I don't know what happened to it. I guess the previous owner has it somewhere. Still in pretty clean shape. Vinyl is still as cracked as ever up at the top. There's a leak going on. The leak, we found the location. It's coming in through this air intake. Going down from here before I did this. And now I put some rope caulk along the sides, as you can see. And I also took some Flex Seal and stuck it down beneath this. And hopefully that's fixed it. It doesn't appear to be leaking. Although the windshield still leaks. Seals are dry rotted. In fact, you can press up on the windshield and it lifts. I want to get that done. That's my next goal. However, what I'm currently working on is I got a new carburetor for it. It's going to arrive on Wednesday, and I'll be putting that on. I already painted the bowl that holds the fuel filter. It ain't a fuel filter. It holds the air filter. And so it's painted and done up. New issue that popped up is there's a slight leak in the brakes. Letting the fluid drain out. I bought some more fluid and hopefully can get that fixed. Anyway. On the inside, it's dirty again. I need to clean it. Got a tray there to catch the water and a little ramp I designed with the back floor mats. It works pretty well at it, what it does. Got trying to get a good view of the mileage. 152,315 miles on it. I'd put about 2,000 of them in myself. Oh, let me scoot over to the driver's side for a minute. Oh. I should have just gotten in the other way, but oh well. Put the key in. Roll the window down. Got a new starter put on it, so it sounds a lot better while starting. It's kind of low on fuel. Trying to get the camera in there. And I got a new AC switch so that it actually will change zones and blow stronger, a lot better. It's awful to start with this carburetor. There we go, it appears to have started. Yeah. As you can hear, it blows strong now. Very nice. And it makes the proper equalization noises and such. Oh, forgot this door's locked. It's attached again so that it'll properly change the flash to the correct thing. The old sensor's working again. So yeah, I just wanted to give that quick update and start up before it had its carburetor rebuilt. And then once that happens, I'll give another update.